anyone can play Cyber Threat Defender. I think the card game, personally, should be on the shelves at all toy stores, and it makes a great stocking stuffer. You can play this as a family at home. All the instructions are on the cards. It is nice, if you have a question, you can ask an expert. I did encourage my players, my students, to play online to become familiar with the game and how the game is structured and how to play it. But it is like any card game. It has rules, and you simply follow the rules. I do find the videos on the CIAS website to be very helpful in showing those to my classes first, how to set up your game, how to play a game. They have some sample rounds there where people are playing. It's very, very helpful.
It's been wonderful for us to be able to incorporate this with students that have never really had any background in computers or coding or cybersecurity. And so for a teacher, all the instructions are there, the PDF downloads are there, so you can go through and read through what the cards do. And so if you're willing to just do a little bit of legwork and reading, watching some of the tutorial videos, I don't see that you need to have a huge background in cybersecurity to be able to implement this game into your program.
For a teacher, you really don't have to have a background. And you know what? I don't think you can make a mistake playing the game. I think that would be fine too. You know what I mean? If you're not interpreting a card correctly, or it's okay. You're going to figure it out. The point is to read the card, learn about networks, learn about defenses, and learn about the types of attacks that can occur, and learn about the types of events that can occur. I just don't think you can go wrong, and I think anyone can do this.